YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss, back at it again. Today I got some couple turkey wings, couple turkey legs. So I'm gonna put some olive oil on there, and my favorite go-to seasoning that I personally make myself. You can go and check it out on my channel. And I got the Charles Mills barbecue sauce that I'm gonna inject it with. So first I'm gonna start off by putting some olive oil all over it. Just covering it with olive oil. And I'm gonna come and hit it with the seasoning right after this. So that should help my dry rub stick pretty good. So I'm just gonna cover it up. You're gonna be smoking these on the old Okra Joe today. You're gonna use a little pecan wood. I think that's pretty seasoned. So what I'm gonna come over here and do is I'm gonna come over here, get some of this injection. Got a lot of peppers in here too, so it's kind of hard to come up through there. Okay, peppers kind of getting caught in there. So I'm gonna come up under the skin like so, and I'm gonna go in that leg. And as you see, it started to thicken up. That's probably a pepper stuck in there. As you can see how big it's getting. I go under the skin so I can get all that juices and flavor under there that I'm looking for. Just a couple peppers getting caught in there. This sauce has a lot of peppers. I mean a lot. Okay. And I'm gonna do the next one like so. Come up under the skin. Come down in there. Excuse the waves. No, they spinning. Okay. I'm gonna have to get me a strainer for this sauce. I got some of the peppers in there. Hey, what's the kind of needle that I can get that I can squeeze peppers through it? I know you guys know that love the barbecue out there. Or like a needle I could use to inject a hog with. I'm guessing that would work. And suck them peppers up through it. So what we're gonna do is cancel injection. I'm gonna just pour it over and let it sit all day in there. How about that? Look at that, lots of red peppers. Hope it's not too spicy. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get a better needle you guys see that can actually suck up peppers through it if I want to do that. Alright, hey, about to let it sit in the refrigerator and marinate over the day. Throw it on the Okra Joe this afternoon. So I got the turkey wings, got the grill already fired up, smoking. Ready to go ahead and come over here and throw them on. Just a little fire popping, baby. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and let these smoke to the internal temperature, hit about 165. We'll be back and check on them. at that. Nice and done. Need a nice color on. A couple turkey wings, just a little snack, you know. Something to nibble on. Nice and healthy. Let's try it out and see how it is.
Fresh off the grill.
Fresh off the grill. That thing is amazing.
Let me see.
Got a nice pink smoky. It's amazing. Okay, hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hey, so you can see more future videos. Hey, peace out, fam.